Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the hyena does in Grow a Garden. It is an uncommon pet, and it costs 100 million shekels. So its passive abilities is that it gains additional XPs for every hyena in the player's garden, requires another non-hyena pet equipped to activate this effect. Okay. So it's just going to gain XPs for you, I guess. But that is it for this video. Again, you do need a non-hyena pet in your garden for it to activate. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.